A lot earlier, that fog is showing up across much of central Florida, but then it's also going to exit earlier because we'll have another cold front moving through, pushing that fog out, bringing back the sunshine, and then colder air by this time tomorrow. So hope you're ready for it. But hey, at least right now, as you get ready for work, school, or maybe you're getting ready to travel, do know that it's not just along the coast that we're seeing that fog. It's for our metro locations as well. But I do want to get you a look out in Brevard County. This is a look at Port Canaveral, thanks to our friends over at Rusty's at the port. You could barely even see any of the port because of that thick and dense fog, down to about a half-mile visibility. Titusville, a 1/10 of a mile. Mims, you're at a 0-mile visibility. Mitco also at a 0-mile visibility. So a lot of dense fog in Brevard County. At the airport here in Orlando, we're at a 3-mile visibility. Same thing in Sanford. It's a half-mile visibility in DeLand and about a 1/4-mile visibility in Palm Coast. So areas east of I-75 this morning are under a dense fog advisory until 8 o'clock. That's also why we have impact weather until 8 as well. So just use caution on the roads. Also make sure to use those low beams on the roads as well. The first front that we had moved through yesterday is now down into the Bahamas, but we do have another front, what we call a reinforcing front, moving into the parts of the southeast. That's eventually later today, more so later this morning, will move into Florida. That reinforcing front will clear out the fog. It's going to bring back the sunshine and allow our temperatures to return back to average today. So while we are off to a foggy and cloudy start, the sunshine returns for the afternoon. So what you need to know is you get the kids ready for school. It is foggy across central Florida, but then by the time that you pick the kids up, it'll be comfortable, just like we're feeling right now. A lot of us into the 50s and 60s to start. Then today we're back at average with most locations around 73 to about 77 degrees. But tomorrow morning is when you need those winter jackets. It's going to feel like the 30s, even some 40s for tomorrow morning. In Ocala, it's going to feel like 33 degrees, 35 in the Villages, 37 in Wildwood. It's going to feel like 40 degrees in Orlando and about 42 degrees in Titusville. Then tomorrow afternoon, despite the sunshine, it's going to be chilly, all thanks to a northerly wind around 10 miles per hour, keeping that cooler air around. Temperatures as highs will be in the 50s and 60s, much like what we're waking up to at the moment. Though we will have plenty of sunshine for Saturday and on Sunday, so despite the colder air, you're still getting both days for green check marks, which is great news. And Sunday, even warmer at about 69 degrees. Central Florida certified most accurate forecast shows next week. Our morning temperatures warm up. We are in the 50s, reaching the 60s by Thursday morning. But our afternoons also quite lovely with temperatures in the low and middle 70s, though we are going to be watching for a few isolated showers.